Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, your go-to channel for honest and in-depth product reviews. Today, we're taking a look at the Waring Commercial 3.5 HP blender with an LCD display. Perfect for those who need both power and precision in their blending. Whether you're a busy cafe owner, a smoothie aficionado, or just looking for a blender that can handle whatever you throw at it, this product claims to deliver top-notch performance. Let's break down what makes this blender stand out and whether it really lives up to the hype. The Waring Commercial 3.5 HP blender is designed to tackle the toughest ingredients with ease. It features a 3.5 peak horsepower motor, which is more than enough to blend through ice, frozen fruits, and other tough materials in seconds. The motor speed is impressive, reaching 45,000 RPM, giving you the power to achieve smooth, consistent blends even with dense ingredients. It comes with a 48 ounces BPA-Free Copolyester container, which is stackable and dishwasher safe. The container is built to handle high impacts, thanks to its unbreakable design. Plus, it has a high-performance cloverleaf jar design that helps create a powerful vortex, ensuring that food is funneled directly into the blade for efficient blending. On top of the raw power, the blender has 4 pre-programmed beverage settings, perfect for popular drinks like smoothies, shakes, and salsas. These settings are factory programmed, but the blender also offers reprogrammable options, allowing you to adjust the blending time and speed for more control over the consistency of your blends. The LCD display with blue backlighting makes it easy to select and adjust your programs, even in low light. Plus, it tracks daily and total drink counts, which is especially handy if you're using it for high-volume commercial purposes, such as in a smoothie bar or restaurant. When I tested the Waring Commercial blender, the setup was straightforward. All you have to do is plug it in, and the intuitive keypad makes it easy to select your program. Whether you're looking for a quick blend or want to make adjustments for finer control, the variable speed options give you the flexibility to fine-tune your results. I was particularly impressed with the dual pulse feature, which allows for quick bursts of power, useful when you want to break up larger chunks of ingredients. It's powerful, efficient, and certainly capable of handling the daily demands of a commercial kitchen. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. The biggest strength of this blender is its motor. With 3.5 peak horsepower, it effortlessly crushes ice and handles frozen fruits without breaking a sweat. That motor speed, 45,000 RPM, is not just a spec. It translates into silky smooth smoothies with no chunks or bits. Another great feature is the reprogrammable options. The fact that you don't need a USB or computer to adjust the settings is a huge plus. It's all done right on the blender itself, which makes it incredibly user-friendly. The high-impact unbreakable container is another win, especially in a commercial setting where accidents are bound to happen. But, of course, no product is perfect. One downside is the size and weight. This blender is heavy-duty, which means it's not the most portable option around. It's built to be sturdy and stable, but if you're someone who needs to move it around or store it away frequently, it might be a bit much. Additionally, although the motor is powerful, it can be quite noisy at full speed. While it's designed for commercial use, it's definitely not the quietest machine so if you're in a setting where noise might be an issue, it could be something to consider. In terms of value for money, the Waring Commercial 3.5 HP blender is priced on the higher end of the spectrum. But given the performance and durability, it's a solid investment for anyone who needs a blender that can handle high volumes, tough ingredients, and frequent use. If you're running a cafe, juice bar, or any other high-traffic business, this blender could be exactly what you need to speed up your workflow and deliver consistent results. However, if you're a casual user or have limited space in your kitchen, it might be worth considering a more compact model. When comparing it to similar products on the market, the Waring blender stands out due to its 3.5 HP motor and pre-programmed settings. In terms of raw power, it's hard to beat, especially when you look at competitors in the same price range. However, there are other blenders with a similar price point that offer similar performance, but with added features like quieter operation or more compact designs. Brands like Vitamix and Blendtec also offer high-performance commercial blenders, so it's worth considering your space and noise preferences when choosing the right model. As for build quality, the Waring commercial blender is built like a tank. The stainless steel blades and durable plastic construction ensure that it can withstand the daily grind of a busy kitchen. The container is strong, dishwasher safe, and resistant to cracking, which is a great plus in a high-demand environment. However, as with all commercial appliances, long-term reliability can only be assessed over time. But given Waring's reputation in the industry, I'm confident this blender will hold up well. Now let's touch on customer support. During my testing, I didn't need to reach out for customer service, but Waring's reputation for support is solid. They offer a 3-year motor warranty and a 2-year parts and labor warranty, which is reassuring for any potential buyer. Waring also has a robust network of service providers, making it easy to get help if something does go wrong. To wrap things up, the Waring Commercial 3.5 HP blender is an impressive piece of equipment for anyone who needs a powerful, reliable blender for high-volume use. Its motor speed and reprogrammable settings make it versatile and easy to customize for different blending tasks. The build quality is top-notch, and the LCD display is an added bonus for easy program selection and drink tracking. However, its size and noise level might be a drawback for some, especially if you have limited space or need something quieter for home use. If you're running a commercial kitchen or cafe, and you're looking for a high-performance blender that can handle daily use without breaking down, this one is definitely worth considering. Just be prepared for the size and noise that come with that power. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or thoughts about the Waring Commercial 3.5 HP blender, drop them in the comments box below. The link to get your own is also in the comments box. Until next time, stay blended and keep blending those delicious creations with Reviews Inside TV.